everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sengupta, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing this beautiful makeup look, which is gonna be a little blingy, a little warm toned, a little neon makeup look with a nude lipstick which I created on my own. Do you want to know how to do this makeup look? Do you want to know how I created this lipstick on my own? Then do check out this video. So without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So the first thing that we're going to be using is this Garnier Skin Naturals BB cream. I actually have three options. One is this Lakme CC cream. I have this Garnier one, and I also have this Sugar one. Goddess of Flawless BB cream in the shade 15 Cappuccino. This is in the shade, I think, beige. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of each, and little bit बोलते ही बहुत ज़्यादा निकल जाता है. So हमने अप्लाई कर दिया है, and अब इसे blend करेंगे, and use a damp beauty blender always and blend it. So I have blended it. The Garnier one has like medium coverage और sheer to medium coverage, and natural look के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. मतलब कवरेज बहुत कम था बीबी क्रीम का, sheer coverage था almost. तो इसलिए कंसीलर थोड़ा लगाना पड़ता है. अगर मैंने फाउंडेशन यूज़ किया होता या तो लैक्मे का यूज़ किया, लैक्मे का बहुत अच्छा कवरेज है, तो तब मैं कंसीलर यूज़ नहीं करती. मैंने गाने का यूज़ किया, बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग, बहुत अच्छा है, तो अभी मैं ये यूज़ करूँगी कंसीलर. दिस इज बाय नाइवे. इट्स फाउंडेशन कंसीलर इन द शेड गोल्डन, सेंट्रल गोल्डन, आई गेस, या सेंट्रल गोल्डन तो है. एंड मैं मेबलिन का यूज़ करती हूँ. मेबलिन फिट मी कंसीलर इज आल्सो वेरी गुड. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू बी ब्लेंडिंग द कंसीलर. Now for the compact, I have the Lakme 95 Flawless Matte Complexion Compact. Sorry, it's in the shade, I guess, Melon Matte. आपको कोई हॉल का वीडियो चाहिए, then please कमेंट डाउन बिलो. मैं एक हॉल का वीडियो करूँगी. ये बहुत सारा नया सामान खरीदा है, तो why not? With the compact, and this compact Paris palette in the shade 04. I do have the Paris blush palette in the shade 02, and वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. इसमें highlighter है, blush है, compact है, everything है. This is the palette. Wow, I use this pink shade. It looks really cute. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है ये वाला shade. And so I'm done with the blush. So for contour, I usually use the Revlon contour stick, but I also had this Paris का contour palette. Blush palette. This is in the shade 02. जिसकी मैं अभी बात कर रही थी. इसका जो contour है बहुत अच्छा है, बट मैं बहुत डरती हूँ इसे यूज़ करने में क्योंकि बहुत पिगमेंटेड है, तो बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है. तो मैं बहुत हल्का डैप करके ले रही हूँ, and I will contour. So I'm done with the bronzer or contour, whatever you want to say. And now we're going for highlighter. So for highlighter, I have three options. One is this Miss Rose Liquid Glow highlighter, which is liquid. Then I have the State Paris highlighter, which is the powder one, and this one is the Cream highlighter by Hilary Road. I love this highlighter palette. Oh, it's my favorite. So first I'm going to be going with my powder highlighter by State Paris, and this is really glowy, and I just love the glow. Can you guys see the glow? And next I'm going to be going in with the Hilary Road Cream highlighter. So now I'm going to be taking this shade. This shade is my favorite. So I'm going to be taking a little bit, and now that I've lined liquid highlighter, I'm going to be blending it with my damp, a little bit damp. Okay, don't use too much damp beauty blender for highlighter, especially. Otherwise, highlighter skin is so good. So now I have light highlighter. See you guys, get a glow again. So I'm going to be using my favorite Lakme Absolute Infinity eyeshadow palette in the shade Coral Sunset. I'm taking this shade, this is what fun, and some shades of beautiful original. And this is pigmentation, and now I'm going to be applying it on my whole face and actually blend it. So when I'm blending my whole eye, and then I'm going to be and next I'm using my Amsterdam lipstick, and I'm going to use the shade Love. So sorry. And if you have a neon lipstick, I just love using it. I just love using my eye. You can see how neon it is. So I'm going to my little bit of water, but just don't that much. So I have a little bit of use for you, and now I'm blending it with a angular brush. So I'm blending it. And I found it a very neon shade. I don't know how it is. So I'm going to use the palette. One of the professionals to judge. I love this. There's so many colors. So much. You can see there's so many colors. And I'm going to box. So I'm using the shade. So sorry guys. So I'm using it. And I'm using it over the thing. And I'm going back. So now I'm using my favorite. The shade was I'm using this oil. And this color is called white. Have you this? I'm using faint now. Just the eyes. That's a painful job for you. Don't have too much. Look like over. Don't let. Okay. And then I just turn off. So yeah. So you can see how I did this. So I'm using my favorite of all kinds. This is the Lakme Design. One is the Design, and this is the black one, the classic black one. So now, not so much. Me to do tutorial. Specifically, so I'm using So you need to do this part. So you guys, you like to do it like this. So I'm there, and I'm going to use this. So I'm going to do it. I can't help. I need to do this mirror anymore. So make a line first like this. I'm going to see. Oh, like this. Okay. I'm going to you should try it home. Now we're going to just do this. And I don't like much I can see. We're going to do it. Okay. Then I'll see you. So now we're going to. So now we're going to do this. We're going to be taking it from her, and we're going to do that. So I don't get so cool. I'm actually going to do it already. Then I'm just going to do it. I don't know why. We probably do something. So you're just bringing it close. Okay. So we can do this. I will try to do this. Okay. ऐसे ही हम करना है. So I'm done with both eyeliners. I know ये थोड़ा perfect नहीं हुआ है, but I'm trying to do it. मैं ये blue eyeliner भी लगा दूँ. क्या बोलते हो guys? So I have done a little of blue eyeliner, and I think it looks good. What do you guys think about it? Please do comment down below. This is the Nykaa Molten Matte Lip and Cheek color. ये मैं हमेशा यूज़ करती हूँ मेरे नेचुरल मेकअप लुक में भी as a lip and cheek tint, and this is in the shade Charlotte. ये दिमाग में एक आइडिया है कि मैं फाउंडेशन को मिक्स कर सकती हूँ. So I'm using this and so after all of this, let's say a goodbye.